Hello everyone, today I have come with a session that is learning with fun, and the topic for today's session is defense mechanism, which is an important topic of psychiatry. So as the name suggests, learning with fun, so we have incorporated many of the videos and images in this particular session. So we will be starting with a video clip. So a video clip will be played right now. Have a careful watch on the video. So here it comes.
यार 3 साल हो गए यार, आई लव यू नहीं बोल पा रहा यार। एक काम करूँगा, कल बोल ही दूंगा कुछ भी हो। अब नहीं यार, अगर दोस्ती टूट गई तो, और मिलना बंद कर दिया तो नहीं 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 नहीं।
People who do not understand Hindi, I'll be providing you the subtitles, and the subtitle goes like, the boy who is sitting, he's thinking in his mind that 3 years have been passed by and he could not say I love you to the concerned person. So he decides that he will be saying it tomorrow. But suddenly in his mind, he thinks, what if she breaks the friendship? What if she stops meeting? No, I won't say anything to her. So now let's see the question. Which of the following defense mechanism is depicted in the video? First option is sublimation, second is humor, third anticipation, fourth is repression. So before coming to the answer, let's first discuss about defense mechanism, then we will come back to the question again. So let's move forward. So now let's see the defense mechanisms. So let's first understand what do you mean by defense mechanism. So Sigmund Freud divided our brain into 3 structural components. They are superego, ego and ID. ID is also id. सुपर ईगो, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सुपर ईगो? सो सुपर ईगो क्या होता है कि ये हमारे मॉरल वैल्यूज़ होते हैं, ठीक है। जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल वी आर टॉट कि हमें बड़ों का आदर करना चाहिए, वी शुड रिस्पेक्ट आवर एल्डर्स, या फिर फॉर एग्जांपल वी शुड बी स्टडिंग नॉट प्लेइंग, मतलब लाइक कि टीवी नहीं देखना चाहिए, वी शुड बी स्टडिंग ऑल द टाइम, वी आर स्टूडेंट्स, सो हमें ये करना चाहिए, वो नहीं करना चाहिए, मतलब लाइक ऑल द मॉरल वैल्यूज़ विच वी हैव, अगर उनकी ही बाउंड्रीज में वी लिव, we survive. Like we should not party late night, या फिर we should not party at all. Like few of the people have in their family, like they don't even watch television for a while even, ठीक है। तो वो सब चीज़ जो होता है that is super ego. Whereas ID is something like कि जो हम लोग बचपन में करते हैं, that is कि demands for something, like aggressively किसी चीज़ के लिए demand करना, for like कि अभी मुझे चाहिए, that means अभी चाहिए, I want it right now, that means I want it right now, even if you can't afford it, I want it, I won't be eating, I won't be going to school, I won't be drinking, and the person is like, the baby is shouting, throwing the things away, and like मतलब लाइक पूरे तरह से अग्रेसिव नेचर शो करना, दैट इम्पल्सिव है इतना ज़्यादा कि अभी चाहिए तो अभी चाहिए, ही कैन नॉट वेट इवन, ठीक है। तो वो वाला जो मैकेनिज्म होता है, वो जो पार्ट हमारे माइंड का होता है, दैट इज़ द आईडी। एंड आईडी एंड सुपर ईगो में देयर इज़ अ बैलेंस विच इज़ मेंटेन्ड बाय द ईगो, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ अस हैव द ईगो विच इज़ डोमिनेटिंग, एंड दैट इज़ वाई वी आर द नॉर्मल पीपल, अदरवाइज वी वुड हैव इवन बी द साइकोज इफ द सुपर ईगो और द आईडी डोमिनेट्स, ठीक है। तो अब क्या होता है कि डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म क्या होता है, दैट इज़ कि वेन एवर आईडी कोई चीज़ का डिमांड करता है तो ईगो उसको सप्रेस करना चाहता है ना। as for example, I like that dress, that particular dress I cannot afford it, as it is like कि मान लो कि 10,000 का है and I just have 5,000 as my monthly income, so I know I cannot afford it, but I like the dress, so in my mind the ID portion is saying that go and buy that dress, even if you have to sell anything of your house, go and sell it and just have that dress. But the ego portion of my mind will suppress this thought that no, my monthly income is not appropriate for that particular dress, so I should suppress this particular emotion. So it will develop anxiety inside me. So to vent out this anxiety, there will be certain defense mechanisms working in my mind, and these defense mechanisms are normal phenomenon which are used by the ego to vent the emotions or the anxiety out, so that we can live a normal healthy life. So this defense mechanism is very normal phenomenon, but when they are in excess, like for example we will be seeing one by one the defense mechanisms. तो अगर इनमें से कोई भी defense mechanism is like बहुत टाइम तक हो रहा है या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है, then it may lead to certain neurological मतलब psychiatric issues later on in life. So till now I hope it's clear. अब हम लोग आगे देखेंगे. So we will be studying about the mature defense mechanism, and we have a mnemonic that is goes like Sahasa, and the Sahasa, the first of Sahasa, that is S, is sublimation, then it is a that is anticipation, then it is H, Saha, that is H, so that is humor, then it is again a that is asceticism, then it is again S, that is suppression, and then A, that is altruism. That means 3 A's, that is anticipation, asceticism, then altruism, and 2 S, that is sublimation and your suppression, and with 1 H, that is humor. So we will be going with our mnemonic Sahasa only. So the first of our defense mechanism will be sublimation. So let's see सब है. अब यहाँ पे इमेज के थ्रू हम लोग समझते हैं इस चीज़ को. Look, इस इमेज में आई हैव रिटन सोशली अनएक्सेप्टेबल है. लुक एट दिस इमेज केयरफुली. एक मैन है जो कि अपने हाथ में चाकू ले रखा है एंड उस पर खून लगा हुआ है एंड ही इज सेइंग ही लव ब्लड. ठीक है, अगर कोई ऐसा कहे आपके सामने आके कि मुझे खून करना पसंद है, आई लव ब्लड, आई जस्ट कैन नॉट लिव विदाउट ब्लड, जब भी मैं ब्लड देखती हूँ आई फील लाइक कि आई शुड बी मतलब मुझे ब्लड ही ब्लड पसंद है, मुझे हर जगह ब्लड चाहिए. सो ऑफकोर्स इट इज़ लाइक सोशली अनएक्सेप्टेबल है आपके लिए. वैसे लोग आप अपनी सोसाइटी में नहीं चाहोगे. सो व्हाट हैपन्स कि बॉडी, हमारा माइंड जो है वो हमें जानता है और ये भी जानता है कि हमारी सोसाइटी के नॉर्म्स के अकॉर्डिंग क्या सही है और क्या नहीं. सो व्हाट विल हैपन, क्योंकि मुझे ब्लड पसंद है तो मेरा बॉडी उस पसंद के लिए, पसंद तो मुझे ब्लड ही है तो मुझे जाना तो ब्लड के पास ही है, लेकिन उसके लिए मैं लोगों का खून करके नहीं जाके आई फाइंड अनदर वे कि मैं किसी और वे के थ्रू जा सकूं. एंड दैट वे फॉर मी विल बी लाइक कि जो सोशली एक्सेप्टेबल वे हो या फिर डिज़ायरेबल वे हो, दैट इज़ लाइक मैं सर्जन बन जाऊं. सो हियर एज यू कैन सी दिस पर्सन हैज़ नाउ बिकम सर्जन. अब वो इंसान को काट रहा है तो ऑफकोर्स ब्लड आ रहा है एंड ही लव्स ब्लड, सो ही इज़ एंजॉइंग हिज प्रोफेशन. बट एज ही इज़ सर्जन तो सोशली भी ये एक्सेप्टेबल है और सोशली भी लोग उसको बहुत पसंद कर रहे हैं. सो दिस डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म इज़ नोन एज सब्लिमेशन, वेयर अ सोशली अनएक्सेप्टेबल थॉट इज़ चेंज्ड इनटू अ सोशली एक्सेप्टेबल थॉट. ठीक है, तो कोई एक सोशली अनएक्सेप्टेबल चीज़ को जब आप सोशली एक्सेप्टेबल या डिज़ायर्ड चीज़ में कन्वर्ट करते हैं उसको हम लोग सब्लिमेशन कहते हैं. सो नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द सेकेंड डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म एंड दैट इज़ एंटिसिपेशन. सो हियर लुक एट दिस इमेज केयरफुली. दिस इज़ द बॉय जो कि इस गर्ल को प्रपोज करना चाहता है एंड ही वॉन्ट्स लाइक he has been thinking over the years, जो कि हमारा वीडियो भी शायद हमें बता रहा था. that was कि he was thinking कि from past 3 years he was trying to say I love you but he could not, and right now also when he decides कि वो कल बोलेगा, then also he thinks like कि what if she breaks the friendship. So here also he has decided like कि मैंने 3 साल से नहीं बोला है, I'll be saying, and वो अभी desire ही कर रहा था. meanwhile क्या हुआ कि he has this thought in the mind कि look here, what if she says that how dare you do this, what if she says you have ruined even our friendship. ठीक है, तो then he decides no, I can't risk our friendship, I won't be saying it to her. So this is the mechanism of anticipation where the person thinks the future also by himself at the same moment when he decides कि वो कुछ करेगा, and then at the same moment he anticipates the things and then he keep the thing to himself. मतलब उसको बोलना था लेकिन उसने कभी बोला ही नहीं, and maybe हो सकता है कि that girl would have liked him too. तो ये जब उसने बोला ही नहीं तो anticipate ही करते रह गया and as a result he could not say it. Okay, so everyone in their life anticipates, but to a certain extent it is good, but 3 years 4 years, that is a long time and that will lead to drastic effects in the life. So now let's move to the third defense mechanism, and here as we can see, these are the school children, and they are like laughing, ha 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 ha, and this they are saying, we all have failed, wow wow, ha 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 ha. So this is humor, as failing in exam is nothing to be laughed upon, and as they are laughing on that particular subject, so that means they are making fun of the emotion which can sadden them. तो इसका मतलब जिस चीज़ से उनको दुख हो सकता है, तो दे आर वेंटिंग दैट इमोशन आउट, क्योंकि वो अभी दुखी नहीं होना चाहते, तो दैट इज़ वाई दे आर वेंटिंग इट आउट बाई मतलब मेकिंग फन ऑफ इट, मेकिंग मॉकरी ऑफ इट. सो दिस डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म इज नोन एज ह्यूमर. नाउ द फोर्थ डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म इज एसेटिज्म. इसमें क्या होता है कि इसमें द पर्सन लाइक कि यहाँ पे हमने किंग को देख रहे हैं हम लोग, एंड दिस किंग जो है वो मतलब उसको एक दिन अचानक से फीलिंग आती है कि नो, दिस किंगडम, दिस मनी एंड ये सब कुछ नहीं है, सब मोह माया है. आई शुड लीव द किंगडम एंड आई शुड गो टू द माउंटेन्स एंड आई शुड प्रे देयर एंड बी, मतलब आई शुड लीव एवरीथिंग बिहाइंड मी एंड आई शुडंट कम बैक टू देम. दीज आर द मटेरियलिस्टिक थिंग एंड दे आर of no importance to the human being. We should be praying to the God and we should मतलब aspire for the heaven और फलाना फलाना करके he leaves all the property, all the things back there only, and he leaves for the mountain. So this particular phenomenon is known as asceticism. Now let's see the fourth defense mechanism, which is suppression. And till now whatever defense mechanisms we have seen, they all are unconscious defense mechanisms, like we don't plan it, unconsciously in our mind these things are happening. So लेकिन suppression is the only defense mechanism which is conscious. So here as you can see कि this girl is sitting and studying, and meanwhile she had a thought in mind that she was sad at a moment कि उसका breakup हुआ था, and now she is finding it difficult to मतलब like कि उस क्योंकि she is studying, she don't want that thought to come into her mind, so she is saying that I don't want this particular thought to come back into the mind, so she is trying to suppress it. So suppression is done intentionally and consciously. So this defense mechanism is suppression. Now let's move to the other defense mechanism, and that is the last of the mature defense mechanism, and it is your altruism. Altruism क्या होता है? That is selfless acts done by the people for betterment of other people, and they do not want anything in exchange. Like here we can see this small little girl, she is like giving all the food she has to the that old man. Likewise this boy has been given 2 rupees by her mother, his mother, कि लेके जाओ and have something good for you. But when he sees a boy sitting hungry, he gives that 2 rupees to him and thinks that no problem, I will be मतलब मेरे पास तो इतना है, so let me give it to him. So this particular selfless acts are known as altruism. So this is the last of our mature defense mechanisms. So let's revise it again. The first of the defense mechanism, mature defense mechanism, was sublimation. That was sahasa ka S. Then A, sahasa. A is your anticipation. Then it is humor, H. Then A is asceticism. Then it is S, that is suppression. Then it is A again, that is altruism. So after having read all the defense mechanisms, let's move to the question which we saw in the starting. And the video which was played was having the thoughts in the mind, like the boy was anticipating the things by himself only, and he could not even ask like dare to ask the girl, because he himself thought that the girl will deny without even knowing or asking to her. उसने खुद ने ये सोच लिया कि वो डिनाई कर देगी, and due to that he never ever मतलब dared to talk to her. So as a result of that, this particular defense mechanism which was going into his mind was anticipation. So the answer to this particular question is our anticipation. I hope it's clear. So this was all for this particular video. We will be taking other defense mechanisms in the other videos. Till then, happy learning. Thank you.